Good morning, beautifuls. It is 6:40 a.m. here on a Thursday. I'm actually getting ready to go to the fresh food market and to Woolies or Kohl's, haven't decided which. And I thought I'd bring you guys along with me today in the day in the life of a work from home black girl in Australia nutritionist during COVID. So let's do it.
For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, real free, I wanna make you sweat on me.
Alright, I just finished at the market. I want to show you guys this awesome cheese. Oh, look at this. It's this cheese from Greece and it's sheep's. How cool is that? I'm usually getting goat's cheese from like Woolworths or Kohl's, but this is actually really awesome. So I'm really excited to try this out. All right, hey beautifuls, I'm home. I just fixed this lighting and now it's not working, but I'm home officially. I just went to the store and I just unpacked all of our meat. All of our veggies and stuff are still in their bags, but I've unpacked our meat because I've been trying to get better about getting them into like the fridge quickly. So I just wanted to show you guys how I kind of save money on our meat purchases, or try to buy less meat, try to create less waste. Number one, we have chickens, so our chickens automatically like get all of our scraps, so that's one of the ways we create less waste. But one of the other things I highly recommend doing is getting these silicone baggies. So we used to use plastic of us like 2 weeks ago, but one of the things I hated was that we try to freeze most of our protein, so like our meat, our fish, because like it can go bad pretty quickly. So we usually freeze it in batches and kind of like plan out throughout the week. We're not huge into meal planning because we're more like, how are we feeling, we're gonna eat it. So one of the things I highly recommend is, if you do like meal planning, buy all of your protein in one big hit to save money. Number one, take out cash when you're buying your food. That has helped me save so much money. But also bag it in silicone. You don't have to bag it in silicone, bag it in whatever you have. I got these online because I was sick of just having fresh organic grass-fed meat in plastic, and then defrosting it in plastic was just like not aligning with. So slowly over time I'm gonna invest in these because they're not the cheapest thing, but they're recyclable, reusable, and they're healthier for us. But freeze everything. So like this one doesn't have it, but like in here we have chicken carcasses and I just have like 2 in here because I know when I make soup I'm gonna use 2. But like example with this one, I have chicken sausages down here. I've included regular baking paper to separate it, and I've added chicken tenderloins, and I've added another chicken carcass. So I would highly recommend doing this. It's been a lifesaver for me. So like you create layers, so then when you defrost it, it's in silicone, but it's also everything you probably need for the week. So I'll probably defrost this sometime like Tuesday next week. It's all supposed to rain. That's the other reason I bought the chicken carcasses, because I'm going to be making lots of soup next week because it's supposed to rain for like 6 days. So one of the other things I'm doing today is I'm working on a lot of recipes. I'm so excited. So I'm creating a recipe ebook, and so like today I'm doing we have a lot of lemons because it's spring. Maybe I'll do lemon and ginger muffins, lemon and coconut slice. I need to record my jambalaya recipe. I'm going to record my mango bruschetta recipe, and I feel like there was another one, but I feel like those are the ones of the day, but I really want to get photos of them. Probably won't get photos of the mango bruschetta. The mango kind of made me itchy because I'm kind of allergic because it's related to cashews, but very, very excited. All right, so I just got done doing some work, about to go pick up Joe. He can get his second vaccine, but can we just take a minute to appreciate this like beautiful sunny day? Like, can you guys see that? It's so beautiful, and we have this, I think it's called wisteria, and it is just so beautiful. Like, it is such a beautiful tree, and it gives off such a beautiful smell. And days like this just make it feel good to be alive. I'm so happy we're going into spring. Oh, look at this, guys. Like, it's just so beautiful, so much life. So just wanted to appreciate that. But getting ready to go out, and then we will come back. I really want to get some more SEO stuff done. I feel like I haven't gotten enough done, but I also have cooking to do because it's a sunny day and I need to take pictures. So when we get back, you guys are gonna come along with some cooking. Can you see where it is, obviously? Medical center.
Where?
Just there.
Oh. I go right there. That's it there.
Yeah. Okay.
Have fun.
Yep. Shouldn't take too long.
This time around, I'll let you go into the night. You won't let me know at night. You turn to Gloria.
So I'm at home working on recipes. I did my lemon and ginger muffins. They turned out pretty freaking good. And then right now I'm working, okay. And then right now I'm working on the lemon and coconut. It's actually really freaking good. I will let you know if it turns out okay. And I also need to do jambalaya today. I'm gonna set up all the photography stuff here, get some pictures, and add to the recipe book. Today's been pretty good. I feel like I haven't honestly got enough work done, which makes me feel really guilty, just because like I really want to get to like a certain amount of income and make sure I'm getting out like good quality information. But if we're being totally real here, Instagram is kind of driving me insane. I loved Instagram. I think it's a great way to share information for people to find good quality information. It's also a bad place to find really bad information, but it has been like such a helpful place for me to like connect with other women and people with uteruses all over the world, and like get these messages of people being like, hey, you know, because of your account, I was able to get my endo diagnosis. I was able to, you know, help my family members get their diabetes under control, or I figured out my hormone issues, or I've been able to make the connection. My period's back is a huge one, and it's really awesome to get those kind of messages. But now Instagram's kind of taken this, which like obviously platforms are always developing, but Instagram has taken this way of changing authentic, real content into competition. And it's frustrating because Instagram was created as a photo sharing app. It was a place where, you know, you could constantly like connect with different people, and of course it's great for brands as well. But now it's at a point where it's just like, no matter how much effort you put into something, you're never gonna get what you used to in return. And it all comes down to an algorithm. It doesn't come down to, you know, do people enjoy seeing my content? Am I doing a good job? It literally comes down to, did Instagram want to boost it? And if they didn't, well, not even your followers who support you are going to see it. And it's frustrating. So I don't know, like I'm just kind of at this standstill. So since I stopped marketing for my last Blooming Body Blueprint program, I pretty much have only been posting on Instagram when I want to post on Instagram, which actually has been super empowering. Like I love doing that because it's me putting out authentic content. It's not me, like I didn't mind doing the reels where I was sharing information, like talking about fibroids and all those things in like a quick 30 seconds, but having to constantly figure out, okay, what audio is trending, what transitions are trending, like that's not me, it's not my personality, and it's not authentic. And even when I was trying to push myself to be that, I wasn't even getting what I wanted back in return. Yeah, I don't know if there's any other business owners on here that deal with that, but it's really frustrating. Honestly, like really frustrating, and not stoked about Instagram anymore. Really, I don't really get on that much anymore. I don't know, my love for it, the app has kind of changed, and I've heard this from a lot of business owners that they've lost so much engagement, so much business, but they're just trying to stay authentic to who they are, because that's the best you can do with Instagram now, unless you pay for ads or you already had a big enough following and engagement that when these changes are made, it didn't really make a difference. Where for me, I'm only at 2,800, which back in the day used to be like, what, you got 2,800 followers? Now it's like, oh, like 2,800, like that. It's like, it's not horrible, but it's not great. So yeah, honestly, I'm just super thankful for all the people on there that have supported me. But Instagram as a place to share information and making sure I'm getting it across authentically, genuinely, and that it's reaching enough people is not really evening out. So I'm spending a lot of time working on my website SEO, writing more helpful blogs for you all, and now here on YouTube. I actually really loved YouTube. I think the hardest part for me about YouTube is editing. Editing videos is really freaking hard for me, but I'm gonna continue to work on it. I'm actually going to probably start coming out with 2 videos a week, maybe 3 because I actually haven't announced this on Instagram yet, but by the time this comes out, I probably will. I have officially closed down my other business, Onus Collaborative, for a variety of reasons. If you guys ever want to know why, I'm happy to do a video on it, but probably won't go into too much detail about it. I'm just happy to finally be able to have time to do other stuff. My camera is literally sitting on my sewing machine because that's what I do on the weekend. I like been sewing swimsuits and dresses and tops and bottoms and jumpers. Like, that has been so much fun. I've been reading more, I've been writing more, you know, taking our dog on walks. Like, I actually have time, where when I was running 2 businesses at the same time, it wasn't going well. And then I was like waking up every single day starting to dread going to work, and I was like, isn't this the opposite of what starting a business is? Like, you're supposed to enjoy the work that you do. Like, yes, there are going to be parts of your business that you don't enjoy, but I was hating waking up every day. I was like, I don't want to wake up and work today. And I realized a lot of it's done from Onas, so that's why I closed it, and other reasons there as well. But I'm just excited to have this platform, that there are other platforms that support creative people, and I feel like YouTube is quite inclusive compared to Instagram. So I'm very, very excited, and hopefully as borders start to open, we can go on more trips around Australia. Things are open by my birthday in 2 weeks. We're actually thinking about doing a day trip to the coast for my birthday, which I'm so excited because we haven't been to the coast in so long. I just feel like I'm gonna go insane in this city. So yeah, and over the next few years we have some pretty exciting plans. Obviously things keep changing. We're supposed to be buying a house here in Canberra. Houses in Australia, well, in the major cities like Canberra, Sydney, and Melbourne have just skyrocketed. So we're hoping to buy a place, maybe not in Canberra, and then maybe move somewhere that is not my home country or his. And yeah, I don't know, we're excited. It's all exciting stuff, so keep you all updated. Well, it is the end of the day. It is 6 p.m. I took pictures of, well, first off, I cooked 3 different things tonight to get pictures for the new ebook recipe book. Tried to take pictures of my lemon pie, did not love them. Maybe I'll try again tomorrow, we'll see. Next week is supposed to rain. But yeah, that is pretty much a day in the life. We're getting ready to have jambalaya for dinner, which will actually be in my recipe book, which is exciting. So I will let you all know how everything goes. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for following along. Bye.
I won't make it easy for you now.